Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this new video, we are going to take a look at the most common British slang words. Let's get right into it. The first one is the word bloke, which is a common way of saying man. The next one is loo, and this is probably the British slang word you'll hear the most if you come to the UK. This is because this is the polite word they use to say they're going to the toilet without saying the word toilet. The next one is dodgy. Dodgy is an incredibly useful word that British people use to describe anything we're a bit concerned about. The next one is proper, which basically means doing things properly, do them correctly, or in the right way. The next one is knackered. Simply put, knackered means really, really tired. The next word is quid, which is a slang word to describe the pound. The next one is skint. Skint means that you don't have any money. The next one, to skiv or skiver. If you're pretending to be sick so that you can't go to work, you're skiving. Snog or to snog means to give someone a kiss. The word cheers, used as an exclamation, means thank you, or it's often used sarcastically. The word naff means that something is lacking style or good taste. To sack off is to avoid doing something or to give up on doing something. Banter is a word used to mean joking or teasing that is meant to be friendly but often isn't. Gutted means extremely disappointed or upset. The word piss, now in the United States, pissed means angry. In the UK, however, pissed means drunk, and pissed off is rude and means angry. Par, or to par off, means an act of dismissal or disrespect. The word cheeky is used to describe an activity that is a little bit naughty but nice. To mug off someone is to take advantage of someone or make a fool out of them. And finally, the word mate is a British slang for friend. Did we miss any British slang words? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to catch the next video.